Ah, okay. Thank you. What'd you do?
What do you do?
Laro-laro si Jelana eh.
Let me show you how to do this.
Laro siya maghapon. Yan ang ginagawa niya maghapon. Laro-laro.
I need to take to mommy.
Oh, you making a cake?
Yeah, a big cake. A big cake.
A big cake this time?
Yeah.
Tapos andun si Jade, basa-basa ng libro. Yan. Salamat sa mga patamsak.
He's reading her book.
Yep.
Yeah, we have books.
Jelana, did you read your book today?
Yes,
How many page?
fine.
5 page. Did she?
Yes.
She did.
Upong maayos, anak. There you go. Yeah, there you go. Oh, she's making me a big cake. Wow.
I made you a cake. Right there.
Flat cake?
It's the cheese stuff.
Oh, cheesecake?
Ew, see? Who do that?
Oh, you step on the... Oh, Jelana, you step on it.
Oh, wait, Tally.
Then now you like, if Jade or Julene step on it, you're gonna cry. Yeah.
No.
Right?
Okay.
Now your feet is gonna get dirty. No, just leave it alone.
What do you know?
Are you gonna take a shower again?
Yeah.
Okay. Mm-hmm.
And my hair is really bad.
Are you gonna wet your hair?
Me?
Yeah.
No.
How come?
I know hair day. Oh, go. Potato. Go. Hey, a potato in my butt.
And then... Hi, Linda. Say hi, Linda.
Paulina.
Now you can do this one. This one is harder, Jelana. Oh, hen.
Mommy, no one.
See? That's how you do it.
Oh, now I need to get a new one.
I sorry. 3 to 9K, what's that mean? What? Very good. Playing in the sandbox. What's 3 to 9? Ah, Jelana.
I need a new cake.
Where's my cake?
I need a new one.
Upong maayos, Julene.
You're always beating. I have it.
Really?
You need top cake.
Just broke it.
You have to top cake.
Oh.
It's the mitten.
Then can you get me a new bowl?
There's a lot. Go get some, Julene. I thought you're making me a cake.
I'm making you cake one night. Tiny cake.
Oh, tiny cake to the big cake.
Oh, wait. I need why? It's too hard. I need to put it together. Yeah, I pie.
Oh, a pie?
Yeah. No, I'm making cake to you. Not a pie.
Can I just take off my shoes?
Yeah, you can.
Me too?
Yeah. Yep.
I like it.
You like it? You like the dirt?
My dog.
I think
You like the dirt? You're gonna take a shower.
yeah, only my feet.
Oh, what happened to your cake?
I'm gonna make my cake. Yay!
Oh, Jelana, you wanna say bye now to your friends?
Yeah, no.
Not yet?
I need me to cake.
Yeah, Jelana, say bye, guys. See you later.
I need to cake.
Yeah, later now. Okay.
Later.
Okay, bye, guys. Say bye, guys, first. Don't forget to subscribe.
Yeah.
Oh, say,
That's it, Todd.
you say again, like and subscribe.